Oh, the road. So what else goes on?
Ebububu yẹn ó ti wọnú ẹ̀tàn.
Kíni yẹn ó máa pa kíni tó ṣe gangan nígbà rẹ̀ ó máa pa wọ́n.
Baba Alpha, I don't watch the video, Abi. Nigeria, na the number 6, like the 6th largest oil producing nation on planet Earth. Nigeria. Now Nigerians, you see, they scavenge. So you see that elderly woman where they drag something out. She get children to feed. Now our politicians put us for that position where you see those people. So now politicians, Nigeria politicians, their wickedness, their cruelty, now put people for that stage. But it make me when I see this kind of video, I go just throw away face sometimes, because you see 90% of those people you see for there, 2023 election, they will still collect 2K, they will collect 3K, they will collect 5K. They go vote the same people who put them for that position, because why that 5K solve their immediate problem, then they will now suffer for another 8 years. Before you know now, even the children where they scavenge to save, done the old. 2023 election, use your brain. They know they tell blind man say war don't start. When you hear kaboom, you know say different from pa pa pa. Bomb different from knockout. Use your head.